Hi, tell me about yourself.
I love bike riding, sir.
Oh, what else?
I love car riding.
Okay, what else you are interested in?
I love horse riding, sir.
Array, stop it. Apart from riding, do you know anything?
No, sir.
Okay, coming to interview questions. What is spacing? What are you doing?
Sir, practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge.
Good. But what I ask, what do you show me? I ask about pacing.
Oh, sir. I thought like you were asking racing, sir. That's why I showed like.
Oh
Okay, sir.
no!
Only one letter, na? Adjust, sir. Adjust.
What? Yeah, next question. What is think time? Hey man, what are you doing?
Thinking, sir. Don't disturb me.
Okay, tell me, what is think time?
Sorry, sir. I don't want to think about this thing time. Next question, please, sir.
अबे साले
What tools you are using now?
1 minute, sir.
Arey yaar, what you are doing? Arey, I'm asking about performance tools, ra.
This tool also will perform very well, sir.
Okay. What is difference between severity and priority?
Sir, if my uncle joined in hospital with severe pain, then that is severity, sir. At the same time, if my girlfriend call, na, then that is the priority one, sir.
Please wait in lobby. I'll call you. Next. Hi, tell me about yourself.
I love eating, sir.
Huh? What?
Eating, sir, eating.
Oh, very nice habit. What else?
I love chicken biryani, sir.
Hey!
Okay. What else?
I love chicken fry also, sir.
Arey Baba, apart from eating, do you know anything else?
No, sir.
That's good. Coming to interview question. What qualities a software tester should have?
She should be beautiful, impressive,
Oh
and
no!
Hello madam, I'm asking about the qualities of the tester, not bride. Okay, next question. What is user story?
once upon a time there was a king. He had 7 fishes. In that, one fish got dried. Sir.
Madam, I'm asking about the user story, not king story.
Oh,
Okay, what is black box testing? What are you doing?
don't disturb me, sir.
Arey yaar, tell me what you are doing.
See, sir, see, this is black box. I'm checking the items in it, sir.
What is white box testing? Ah, I understand it. Don't open please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, what is difference between positive and negative testing?
My husband comes home daily on time from office, then it will be positive testing, sir. Otherwise, it will be negative testing.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hey Manikanta, can you take remaining interviews?
Hi, tell me about yourself.
I love singing, sir, and I love Bollywood songs.
Hey!
Very nice. What else you are interested in?
I love Tollywood songs, sir. I also love Collywood songs, sir.
अबे साले
Apart from songs, what else you are interested in?
Nothing, sir.
Coming to interview questions. What is C?
See, sir. See here.
Hey man, what are you doing? I asked you about C language.
There is a separate language for C. Super.
What is structure? Hey, why are you behaving like this?
What, sir? What question you are asking? How can I answer this question?
Arey yaar, I asked about structured data type in C language, not this structure, okay?
Okay.
What is token?
Token? Yes, sir. I have 5 rupees token and 10 rupees token, sir.
Write a program to print hello world.
Hello world.
Where is the program in this?
Just to write hello world. Why this program and event, sir? Just write it directly, na?
Write a program to reverse a number 232.
Even if we reverse it, it will be the same number. Why to write a program for that?
Wait in the lobby. Call the next candidate. Tell me about yourself.
I love cricket, sir.
Hey!
Nice. What else you are interested in?
Cricket, I love batting, sir.
Okay then.
I love bowling, sir.
Okay, what else?
I love fielding, sir.
Hare Baba, apart from cricket, do you know anything else?
Apart from that, nothing, sir.
Okay, coming to interview questions. What is garbage collection?
Yes, sir. Every day one truck will come to my street and collect the garbage, sir. That is the garbage collection.
Hare, I asked about garbage collection in Java, not in your street, okay?
Oh, sorry, sir. I don't know that garbage.
What is framework?
Ah, sir. I did one framework. You have to see this. I will show you. See this, sir? Such a nice framework, no? So nice.
Amma. What is difference between Java and JavaScript?
Script. Silly question.
What is the use of this keyword in Java?
Which keyword, sir?
This keyword.
That is what I am asking. Which keyword, sir?
This keyword.
Arey, sir, that is what I am asking. Which keyword, sir? If you don't know the keyword, ask me next question, sir.
What is applet in Java?
I know apple. I know tablet. Maybe commerce with two, sir. Right?
Please wait in the lobby. Call the next candidate. Hi, tell me about yourself. What? Very good habit. What else you are interested in?
Sleeping, sir.
You already said na. What else?
Sleeping, sir.
Arey Baba, how many times you will sleep?
All the time.
Don't sleep now. I will ask the interview questions now. What is CTS?
Oh, CTS. It's a famous software company, you know. And my brother is also working there. Do you want any reference, sir?
I asked about CTS in .NET, not about IT company and fish market.
Oh, that's CTS. I don't know, sir.
What is difference between value type and reference type?
Yeah, it's very simple, sir. If you give me the value, then only I can do the
Hey, who was the reference? Who was the reference?
Okay, sir. Next question. Ask me the next question.
What is an assembly?
Yes, sir. It's a building situated in Nampalli, Hyderabad, where all the MLAs will come and sit together and will discuss about the business problem.
Arey, I asked about a file assembly, not about that MLAs and MPs buildings.
Oh, sorry. I don't know those files and files, sir.
is MVC?
I know PVC, sir. PVC pipes. You know, there are very strong pipes. And in my colony, all are using those PVC pipes only. By the way, what is this MVC, sir? Is it a new brand?
Arey, I asked about MVC in .NET, not about PVC pipes and baby wipes.
Are you selected?
Who knows? Interview panel will come.
Interview panel. Then what about you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I am from interview panel.
Oh, sorry, sir. Please take your seat. We'll wait in lobby.